Hello guys, it's Liam from CarPlay Direct, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find out your navigation version on MBT cars from BMW. Now obviously the reason I'm making this video directly is because obviously I sell the Mr. 12 volt MMI kits, the fibre optic kits, and depending on the actual hardware that's in the car will determine what kit you need. So I'm obviously going to be using this to send to my customers for clarification on which kit they need, but also maybe you'll want to find out your navigation version for an update, or maybe to change your hardware or something like that. So basically in the car, as you can see, this is running ID4 native Pro Nav. This is a 2014 BMW F10 M5, and if we scroll down to navigation, that will then bring up the options and the option for map. And obviously, as you can see, it's loaded into the map, and if we go down here and we press the option button, that brings up a list, and then obviously we can scroll down to the bottom. It says navigation system version, and as you can see, this car is running true ID4 NBT Pro Nav, and we know that because it says NBT underscore and some letters and some numbers. If your car is running Evo hardware, you follow exactly the same process. You go to navigation, then go to the map and press the option button, scroll down to version information, and in there you'll see NBT Evo and then like underscore, some letters and some numbers, and that's how you know whether your car is running true ID4 NBT hardware or ID5 or ID6 Evo Pro Nav. But that's going to conclude today's video. If you guys are interested in the Mr. 12 volt kit for your Pro Nav BMW with ID4, ID5 or ID6 Pro Nav, my details to contact me will be in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching, and if this video helped you, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.